where these students who read for pleasure and read fiction they can be really engrossed in it and transports you to these other worlds, they have higher reading comprehension scores.
It's a nightmare. I don't think anyone could say any different if they have children. I've got a 17-year-old and I've got a 13-year-old, and it's really tough.
It's not continuous, sustained, or concentrated. And those are the things that lead to deep processing and reading comprehension skill growth. And you're just not getting that from screens.
But we've got these children coming through and we have to engage them now. Otherwise they'll become, adults who don't read, and the ramifications for the economy is just huge.
The economy is an interesting one, isn't it? I think I read the number 40 billion in terms of economic impact in the UK. Next year being the National Year of Reading here in the UK. Yeah, how do you think we can better connect resources with learners and their individual learning pathways?
Cover book. We've got a whole section on the website called Reluctant Learners for those kids, and it will include things like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Tom Gates, Dog Man, and lots more recently published from authors you won't have heard from. Funny books, like absolutely hilarious books that will have the most reluctant of readers, absolutely grabbing for the next books.
We've been talking a lot about level, and there's some stat that I saw that, within a classroom, there's about 15 different levels, like kids are at different places. And so I feel like I have to mention, here we have the Lexile framework for reading. So it matches students to text. There's a student measure, and then books are also measured. And on Lexile Find a Book, you can find books, you can sort by interest as well. And it helps address that problem of, parents and teachers might not always know what that range is for a particular student. So this can help with that as a solution.